Hello guys! Good morning mga besties, aking mga sisi. So for today's video nga is samahan nyo ako at ako'y papasok sa aking work. So pinapakita ko kung gaano kaganda dito sa Vancouver at merong buwan, may moon, so meaning hindi uulan ngayong araw na to. At syempre, may nag-request daw na let's do or I can do a voice over dahil na-miss ang aking boses at ang chikahan. So tara, samahan nyo ako ngayong araw na to. Winter ngayon dito sa Vancouver, Canada. At kung makikita nyo, ang sobrang ganda ng view. Yes, wala pong snow. Hindi po nagsusnow dito masyado dahil maulan po dito. Ang tawag nga sa lugar na to, minsan ay raincover. Ayan o, sobrang ganda. Oh my God, so blessed that I am here.
This is so good. Adrian, you should try this. This is so good.
She's keeping me busy. Yeah, I haven't tried it. How does
Kelly, have you tried this? You should.
You were saying this tastes like a treat that is like from Philippines?
No, it's from Mexico,
Yes.
but it tastes like.
It tastes like something that you had growing up.
Mm-hmm.
You eat the wrapper as well?
Yeah,
It's like a wafer?
yeah.
Okay, let's give that a go.
You're not a fan? You don't like it? Oh
I do not.
no. No.
It's I don't really like the wafer.
Oh, it's just the wafer.
It just tastes like sugar. I don't know. Not really.
This is like condensed milk.
Mm.
I'm not sure, but
I think it's just me as an adult. I think if I was a kid and I ate this, I'd probably really, really like this. You know, when you're little and you really like candy
Yeah.
and anything really sweet, and then sometimes as you get older.
Morning, James. And the other boy is sleeping in there. And the weather today is nice. And yes, I have two cats. Two chunky cats. Sobrang taba nila. Well, dinadiet na namin sila. Pero hindi, mahirap silang ipag-diet dahil umiiyak pag hindi nabibigyan. Ayan, away ng away. Ganyan sila buong araw. So, today, wala akong pasok ngayon. Pahinga, vlog, linis ng bahay. At mag-e-edit ako later. So,
James. 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 James.
and so, yeah, or just order Jollibee dahil sobrang na-miss ko ang Jollibee, guys. So, meron akong burger steak dyan. 2 pieces ng burger steak at sobrang sarap. And yeah, gusto ko lang magpasensya. Hindi ako ganun kasanay mag-voice over and it's been a while since my last vlog. Grabe. Hindi na ako sanay mag-vlog. So, ang daming mga pangyayari sa mga buhay-buhay and I hope I can share it with you all. But, yeah, ngayon, I'm doing voiceover and I hope you enjoy it until the end. Okay, good morning again, guys. So, this is the next day. It's Friday at the time. Nakikipagharutan lang ako dyan kay James kasi marami pa akong oras. And I'm going to prepare na for my day. So, Friday, meaning it's February 13 at the time. And yan, nagpe-prepare lang ako ng ating London Fog. Ayan, London Fog. So, lately, meron akong naadikan na tea. So, I still love matcha, pero etong London Fog is my go-to lately. Yan. So, ano siya, Earl Grey tea na tea bag. And then, I just put lang yung half and half cream na milk. I just add salted caramel ng Torani na brand. And then, I just add salt. So, sobrang sarap. Para siyang Starbucks style. And sabi ko nga, yung Nespresso is really a big help kasi wala naman akong frother. So, yung Nespresso is malaking tulong talaga siya. So, ayun. Oh, shh. Kelly went to supper. And I just had the sandwich atong lunch break. Guys, wala namang nabibili ditong mga kanin at ulam. So, mostly mga cafes, pizza, ganyan sandwiches, mga cookies, yung mga kinakain nila dito, salad. They're very health conscious. So, mostly may mga vegan-free, gluten-free. So, maraming mga free mga nangyayari. And yes, it's my favorite chicken sandwich. Also, we're going today. I am with my bestie. We're going to Sako. It's a Japanese tonkatsu. Para siyang yabu sa atin. So, ay may bagong milk tea, no Thai milk tea na bukas. Grabe ang linya. Grabe ang haba ng mga pumipila. We're now in Sako. So, we're having a Valentine's Day with my bestie. Yes, thank you. Smells so good. we just end up having a donuts. May bagong bukas sa Broadway, which is Krispy Kreme. Wala na masyadong pila. I just ordered, I think, for Nick. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope na-enjoy nyo tong vlog na to. And I'm trying my best. Practice makes perfect, right? So, thank you sa lahat ng supporters. And good night!